the airplane. He's going to embarrass the airplane, Brian.
No, we're working hard to be embarrassed. We're going to show you.
He's powered by Shell, man.
As a matter of fact,
got a winner in that.
Let's see him do this. There we go. It's not possible.
I didn't see any flames coming out of the back of John's airplane.
Let's get upside down.
He's upside down. There's smoke coming out from the big Peterbilt. The Peterbilt released the brakes.